When you're in music, music requires a lifetime of study. And musicians never stop being musicians. They're musicians around the clock. And a professor, a teacher of music is no different. We teach classes every day, but more importantly, we have concerts. We have concerts every evening. We have concerts frequently on the weekend, which means that we need to be going 24/7. I was worried that I wasn't going to have the strength to keep doing this. I was having some problems with urinary frequency that happened all of a sudden. I hadn't had any problems in the months preceding, so I went to see my general practitioner and she referred me to Dr. Shah.
So when I first met Mr. Simpson and I examined him, I found his bladder capacity was huge, and when we investigated him, it was found to be 1.8 liters, which is way above a normal capacity of 300 or 400 ml. And this was predominantly because of damage which happened to bladder because of long-standing blockage due to enlarged prostate.
I was really not releasing any real urine at all, and the problem was getting worse.
Most of the patients respond well to medical management. Only if they fail to respond to medical management or they develop complications of prostate like retention of urine, repeated infection, repeated hematuria, swelling in the kidneys, or formation of bladder stones, then they become candidate for surgical intervention. HoLEP procedure is a minimally invasive endoscopic surgery wherein we go in through the patient's urinary passage using a small telescope and a camera, and using a laser technology, we remove the entire prostate from its capsule. It is like removing the orange fruit from its skin or peel and leaving only the peel behind.
I discovered that there were very few surgeons that were performing the procedure. I wanted to understand why that was, so I researched and discovered that the learning curve for this procedure is very steep. I was very fortunate that Dr. Shah is one of the best surgeons available in practicing the HoLEP procedure. Now, with having this procedure, once again, I feel 15 years younger. My outlook on life is completely different. I'm not worried about anything. I'm so excited for the future.